nikianichelle, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing you our 2025 holiday house tour, and we are starting that tour here in the entryway. This is our fourth year doing this theme, and each year I add on more and more items, but this year I just used what I had and shuffle around the items. So every year it looks different, but this year is probably my absolute favorite, and it's a little sad because next year we're switching over to a different theme. I hope you guys enjoy this home tour. I'm going to start in the living room and work my way through all of the areas in the living room, and then we're going to do the kitchen and then the dining area. So if you're interested in seeing our holiday home tour, please continue to watch. is so lovely. I honestly feel like the cameras does it no justice. I really enjoy this theme. I enjoy how girly it is. It gives retro, it gives modern, it gives tradition. I feel like it gives all the things, and I just love it so much. The dining table is a lot different this year. I only did one tablescape, and this is the one you're looking at. I won't change this again until we have our Christmas breakfast here, and that's when I'll put the tablecloth out and I'll set the table for two. And it's very traditional. There's a lot of stuff going on the table on Christmas morning. But anyways, I hope you guys again enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.